So guys, here's our salmon head. Sinot tight the soma. On va mettre des tomates pour tomates. Que je fais de notre jardin ça. This is tomato from our garden. We can it, and I have here a chili, dried chilies. As you can see, a different color. This one is more dark red, and here is the other one is more light, because this one is from my friend. She buy it from Montreal, I think, and this one is from our garden. Okay, it's a Thai chili. We put that, and here a garlic. I don't have a lot of garlic. My garlic from the garden is already finished, guys, so my stock is already finished. So here is our garlic. It's very important. I like fresh garlic, but we will add also powder. And also this one here, the salmon are already with the salt. Here this onion from the garden. As you can see, they are little. This onion, the not jardin. Les amis, les têtes de saumon, il y a déjà des sel dedans. Je mets déjà des sel. We're putting this one, pema, poivre, pema. The peppercorns. We're putting peppercorns with poivre. Right. And so here we're adding our laurel leaves, the bay leaves. Yes, that. And here I have a soy sauce. It's about 1/2 cup. The soy sauce. On dimitas de sauce soya. Here I have 1 cup of 7-Up. On taas the 7-Up, guys. Regard the 7-Up. Avec the 7-Up. Puis on va mettre the food, the garlic powder. Garlic, gingembre, lye, gingembre, sassy, ginger powder. We're adding that. First, I'm searching the onion powder. Put onion, put lye, put gingembre, pile. I already add poivre, me and grain. Maintenant, je vais mettre I will add ground black pepper, poivre noir molo. Puis c'est tout. Il n'y a pas de l'eau. C'est just that, no water. All that, and now I will, because it's big, it's a lot, I will put now in the oven. Maintenant, je vais mettre dans le four. Oui, c'est ça. Les têtes de saumon, j'ai mariné déjà avec les sel. The salmon head, I already put marinate with salt like 10-20 minutes before adding all this spice and herbs. Okay guys, I will put now in the oven. So guys, here's our freshly baked salmon head. And it's cooked already. Yeah, our salmon head. And it's time to eat that one with rice. So my rice here with some masala spice, that's why there's color. So it's time to eat, guys. Are very healthy and cheap foods, because you know salmon head here in Canada, it's only 50 cents. 50 cents per head. So I have 5 heads, so it costs $2.50, guys. Yeah. So let's eat, guys. Bon appetit. Thank you so much for watching my videos and support my channel. So guys, this is our very cheap and healthy food. It's a salmon head. C'est notre menu pour aujourd'hui. C'est pas cher. C'est tête de saumon. Ici, ça. C'est juste 50 sous par tête de saumon chez Marché Public ici à Victoriaville. Et c'est très très bon. Très très bon. Type the salmon, guys. It's the salmon head, guys. It's very yummy and healthy, and it's not expensive here in our place in Victoriaville. 50 cents only per head. So I'm cooking here also, guys, rice. After that, I will cook the rice. The water is dry, so now we will reduce the heat, and then I will add the spice. So here's the turmeric powder. We add just like that, and I will add now the garam masala. Here's the garam masala. And then we will cover, guys, and let it cook slowly. So let's eat, guys. Ang sarap. Super sarap ng salmon head. Ito yung laman. Here, the best part here. This one. So tasty. That one. Here, from the face of the salmon. Here, there's a big, very yummy meat here. This one. Oh, very yummy, guys. Oh my god. But to the people who are not used to it with the tête de saumon, the salmon head, that's why we're eating this one with the hand, so that you will know where is the bones. C'est ça les amis, mange cette tête de saumon avec notre main pour qu'on connaisse où les... On cherche où les viandes, pas de bones, ça c'est de bones. That here is a good viand, good meat. My god. That's why here the onion, it's very yummy. It's little, it's very yummy. So, that's that. So I'm checking now the rice, the newly cooked rice. So it's the time that I will mix that, guys. I just use a chopstick. Ji utilis sulmali baguette, and we off the heat. As you can see, there's white, yellow. It's like that. I like our rice to be cooked. Okay, so I think it's done. Yeah, beautiful. Okay guys, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. God bless us all. Bye bye.